If you're looking to upgrade your audio system in your 2003 to 2010 Honda Element, this double-DIN radio installation dash kit is the perfect solution. Designed to fit seamlessly into your vehicle's dash opening, this kit allows for the installation of a 4-inch tall double-DIN aftermarket radio, giving your car a modern audio upgrade without compromising on style or functionality. The kit is made from high-grade ABS plastic, ensuring durability and strength for long-lasting performance. The installation kit is designed with precision tolerances for a gapless fit between the dash and the kit, ensuring a clean and professional appearance once installed. It is painted to match the factory dash color, and the textured finish is specifically matched to the original style of your vehicle, providing a factory-fresh look. This attention to detail makes the kit a perfect match for the aesthetic of your Honda Element, giving it a cohesive and polished finish. While the kit is easy to install, one customer review noted that the plastic construction is quite thin, so careful handling is recommended to avoid any potential damage during installation. Despite this, the kit serves its purpose well, offering an affordable and efficient solution for those looking to install a double-DIN radio in their Honda Element. For anyone seeking a simple, cost-effective way to upgrade their in-car entertainment system, this double-DIN radio installation dash kit is an excellent choice. It's easy to install, designed specifically for your Honda Element, and provides a flawless fit and finish. Click the link in the description to purchase and start enjoying your new audio system today. Don't forget to subscribe for more great product recommendations and automotive tips.